Okay, hit record. Turn to the camera and say, I'm going to change my hood struts.
I'm going to change my hood struts. Let's see how this goes. So, we'll see if I was paying attention right. He said that there's a clip here. And then I'm supposed to just... Oh, maybe not. I'm supposed to just come out. Oh. Oh.
You don't have to pry it all the way out. It should come off with a pin now. Just by prying it out a half an inch or so. Might have to lift the hood a little bit. Oh, snap back in.
Ah. Alright. Oh. I'm getting it.
Yep.
Okay. I have a question. Do they come with new clips?
Yes.
Okay. Was not sure.
Pretty sure they do anyway.
Got it. That was simple. Why can't all work be that way?
Here's a new one.
Oh God, they do come.
So put that end on first. There you go. And you lift the hood a little bit, line that up. Very good.
That one's done. Here, I'll give you the old one.
Junk.
Let's go to the other side. Now we're gonna do this one. Oh wow, she came off real good. Yep, she's broke. How do you open them? Oh. Oh. This way?
Yep.
All right. So we got that. Got that.
Look at that. The hood stays up.
And I did it myself.
Yes, you did.
Bye, guys.